Tonic Tower. And we doing the last battle. Reptile baby. And let's do raiding. Shock therapy. Therapy. The reason I started this was for the YouTubers I love, like all my favorites. Or like the Rad Rad, okay, Ice and Fire, Deep Blue Dive, Punches, I don't know how, but I know he does Dragon Ball Z. And he's one of my favorites too. And also Kid City. Kid City. Yeah, you comment down below. And I died. Because Katana died. Man, this is a hard level. Can't defeat this guy. Man, lost all my energy. Trying to drain me in my energy. Trying to keep it away. Alright, go back into the battle. I can't lose like that. That was too easy. That was just too easy. I'm gonna play like these, like bang, 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 bang. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. Yes. I just had to switch to something else.
My fury is unrelenting.
I was about to beat this guy. I'm about to switch to Scorpion time. Die! Come here! Oh god, no. Ah, no. Okay. 21. That's the final power. I made sure I was gonna do this one. The reason that took a little bit longer because I'm recording it. If I wasn't, it would have been easier. Fatality. Alright, y'all. Peace out. Please subscribe if you like. If you like this video. Peace.